good news is you are here at our headquarters at Big Business Events. Today is about understanding where you're at, but where you truly want to be.
Great experience today, finding out about social media and the platforms that you can use. The knowledge in depth was actually just really insightful.
If you're thinking of using Facebook or YouTube or any other platform and you don't know how to do it, you should come to this place.
1 billion hours of video are watched every day. I've wasted so much time and so much money in what it is that I'm doing. Should I just give up? And how do others make this look so easy?
It was really informative, very inspiring. It's made me think about a few things I need to do and change in my business and social media.
It's quite enjoyable, very informative, open us up to opportunities that lie in fallow that we don't even understand.
We've got to be strategic with what we're doing. And the beauty is, the tools that I'm going to share with you today enable you to get a pin and drop it on the head of your ideal market.
I came to this event today to remind myself and learn a bit more also about monetization from social media.
I already know 2 people in a similar industry to me, or in the same industry as me, who have done this program and they're absolutely smashing it.
This is something what you can get for free.
And I really enjoyed it.
Been joyful, learned a hell of a lot, and they're both excellent in what they do.
Are we here for social media? Should we get into some social media content?